Hi everyone, this is Cybil, your skin fitness expert. So I'm here today to talk to you about the TAMA Derma and how to use it with your Awaken device. So this is a kind of a facelift that you can do. It's a second part of the TAMA Bella, which is the one that works through here. So that's the one that works under here. This one works under to this area and this area. So as you start lifting this, you'll notice that you start kind of like this lifts, and so you start getting like these little pooches, and then this kind of starts moving forward a little bit more, and you start like getting this weird like melty effect. And so you definitely want to make sure you're doing them in combination. So I like to start with this for a few weeks, and then after 2 or 3 weeks, I like to definitely start doing this as well. All right, be diligent. So this is for your Awaken device from TAMA. And so what we're gonna do is you need your Awaken device, and you're gonna need your 4 pads. You need 2 that are kind of thinner, and you want 2 that are bigger. So I like round ones because they fit on my face, but you can do square if that's what works for you, but they're gonna come here. So these 2 are gonna come here, and then you're gonna have 2 here. So whatever's gonna fit in those spaces. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and turn on our device, and we wanna make sure that it's in mode 3. And while it's in mode 3, we're gonna go ahead and put it on between 3 and 400. Now, how you know which you need to be in is once you have it, if it's really tingly, you need to go down. If it's not tingly, you can go up to that 4. But if it's tingly, drop it down. Once again, it doesn't have to hurt to work. And if it is hurting, if you are having a lot of tingles, it's not working. That electricity is just dancing across the skin, and actually it's negative for you. It's not going into the skin, it's not working, okay? It's hurting you, so stop, all right? So how you apply these is you want to go ahead and you're going to stick, these are going to go right at your nasal labial fold, so that's here, and it's kind of going like under that cheek area, like that, like rah. And this one's going like rah. Now, I've been working with these all day long while I've been making these videos, so mine are not going to stick that great. All right, if yours also are not sticking that great, put some conductive gel, aka aloe or something water soluble under them. But you do need to be sitting up. You can't be lying down for this. You do have to be sitting up. It needs the weight of your face, all right? The other thing you need to do is you need to put one here and one here, all right? It's at the bottom of the little marionette lines, okay? So where these kind of come down, where it finishes, boom, boom. None of them can touch each other. If they touch each other, then the electricity conducts into them and not into your face. All right, so you do need to make sure that they are small enough that they don't touch each other. Ta-da. All right, so you need to be doing that. And how the cords are going to be set up is you need them to be equal. So it's going to be red, red, black, black. Red, black, red, black. Red, black, red, black. Got it? Good. So how you're going to continue to do this is you want to do it for at least 6 weeks. And I would say 3 days a week. 3 days a week is probably good, but just get it on there. Just get it on there. Just get it on there as often as you can, and for 10 minutes. Now, I know that this particular mode will run for 15, so if you want to run it for the full 15, you can, but more is not helping you. So if you want, just set a timer for 10 minutes, run it for 10 minutes, take it off, and then go out and live and be exciting. Once you've done it for about 6 weeks, you can actually then run it for 5. Just do 5 minutes a day, or 5 minutes a couple times, a couple times a week, and you're good. So, because 3 times a week is perfectly fine. More is not better. The skin and the muscles need time. It's a workout. They need time to recover, okay? So 3 times a week, give it like every other day, and then kind of lay off of it a little bit, okay? So that's this, and I'm gonna give you the next part of this particular, because this is kind of a 2-stepper. So the next step of this, I'll give it to you in just a second. Watch the next video, bye!